Hello, young African hustlers. Once again, welcome to this channel. And if today is your first time on this channel, we talk about innovative way and how young Africans like yourself, like myself, can innovate and take opportunity of the generational wealth that exists in our current generation. And I've been preaching about, how to build generational wealth, how to achieve financial freedom for yourself, right? Because times have changed, and this time it is our era. And last week I released a video about how the generation now, the current generation, has a very unique way of becoming millionaires faster than the previous generations that have come before us. And before I go into that, so that was a video I released a week ago. And just a few minutes ago, I was reading and a friend of mine sent me a link to a video. And I want you guys to watch. Please pay attention and watch this.
Did it go? Yeah. Oh! We did it, sweet team. We did it. Sweet team, we did it. Thank you all so much. Whoever that million subscriber was, thank you. From my 1 to 1 million, God bless you all so much. I don't know what to say, but it's been a long journey. And I couldn't have done it without you guys. God bless you so much. A child of a nobody. And I just started this YouTube journey, not knowing where it's gonna take me. And you guys helped me get here. And I just want to say thank you. I'll try and post something for our 1 million today. Gebu, come and say hi. Say hi to everyone. I think he missed his bus. So, because he couldn't leave. And I love you all so much. God bless you. I'm glad I wasn't sleeping when it happened. I was awake to see it. God bless you, God. God bless you guys. I don't know what to say. I'm the first Ghanaian food vlogger to hit 1 million. The first woman to hit 1 million. And it's in cooking. I don't know what to say. 5 years, but it's been worth it. I love you all so much. I love you. I love you.
That is for real. That is somebody. She calls herself nobody. She calls herself living in uncompleted apartment. She's hit 1 million subscribers. I don't know, maybe we should watch more of that video. What do you think? I don't know if you are some fire as I am, and if it really touches deep inside you as I am. Let's watch a little bit more of that video.
All of you that have been calling me, all of you that have been making posts, Abina, God bless you all. God bless my family for having my back. God bless my brother. He said you'll be the first food vlogger to hit 1 million, and it has happened just the way he said it. He believes in me more than I believe in myself. But I thank God. I probably look a mess, but it is okay. It chose to happen early in the morning, so we're going to celebrate early in the morning. God bless you all. God keep you all safe for me. You're my sweet team for life.
It is intense. I'm full of joy. And it really resonates with me, with what I've been preaching and what I've been telling you guys. This generation doesn't matter. The playfield has been leveled. You don't need to be super smart, skillful, coded, technology, innovative, entrepreneurial person to be able to make it. You can go into his account. I mean, if you go to, there are websites that can tell you how much each YouTuber is making. But before we even go there, this woman has found a purpose. Sometimes when we talk about success, we think that it's only about what is in your pocket or what you have in your bank account, right? But everybody and how they measure their success. I remember when I built my school and people would ask me, how are you? You've been so successful. How do you measure it? Are you successful yet? Like questions around success. And I would tell them that I felt success from the school at a very early stage. And that could be good. But then the responsibility it gave me was, how do I keep that success for a very long time? Because I got it at a very early stage. And it wasn't because I make profit at the early stage or I started making money right away. I'm still putting money into the school. But the success to me was when parents come and say, hey Fred, my kid didn't sleep. He woke up at 3 a.m. because he wanted to go to school. When my kid was going to sleep, he made sure he had his school uniform and backpack by him or her so that when he wakes up, the moment he wakes up, he goes to school. And to me, it was a success because the community I'm in is a rural community. So me growing up from there and not really seeing education as fun, but something that I was forced into, have to walk 2 hours to school, sometimes with no shoes and so on. It was my goal that every kid that gets the opportunity to come to my school will love it. Because when kids love doing something, you, the teacher or the institution, you don't have to force them to really basically learn. Right, so to me, for those kids to love to come to the school, to come, was the success for me. It was how I was measuring my success of the school. And this woman has found a purpose. And if you go back, there's so many lessons we can learn from her, guys. There is so much. I wish you, if you're watching this video, if you know her, send it to her. But I wish you all the best. I am just I was very emotional watching you. And to be frank with you, this is the first time I'm actually watching any video from her. Maybe I have watched one of her cooking videos with my wife, but when I saw this video, I was like, wow, this is pure. And then I went back and looked at your videos. I saw that your first video was like 5 years ago. So you've had consistency. You've been pushing, you've been grinding. And this is what we, the youth, need to know. That success is not achieved on a silver platter, and it's not your one-day betting. It's not your one-day show. It takes time, it takes hard work, it takes consistency. It takes doing things when you don't even feel like doing. I would like to talk to you. If you're watching this video, if you know her, share it to her. Because I would like to talk to her about this journey. Because this journey, we think it's YouTube journey. No, but it applies to our life. It applies to so many things that I feel like the youth need to learn. Somebody comes to YouTube, posts a video, gets 4 views. He's like, 4 views. 1 week, 2 weeks, he stops. Do you know the number of people that starts YouTube and stops? Because they are not getting views, because they are not getting paid. And after all, how much does YouTube pay? If you're young like me and other people coming up, YouTube doesn't really pay much, right? They pay you like $4 per 1,000 views, right? So you really need to have a passion or believe in what you're doing or what you're talking about or the goal of your YouTube channel to really stick around and do it. But people like her, like Odemaya and co, they have now bridged that gap and they have the financial support, because to hit 1 million, that means you'll be making good money from YouTube. And as she said, who is she? Living in Ghana somewhere. Maybe, I think she's probably in Accra here, right? But what is happening is she is at the playing field of people in the US, in UK, in Kenya, and she's receiving dollars. So where in the last 20, 30 years could you have that opportunity that she has now? And to me, that's my message to you. So if you're watching me, the playing field is level. Stop complaining. Stop blaming the government. Let's put our head in the game. What are you good at? Take advantage of your mobile phone. Take advantage of the internet. Take advantage of the skills that you have. Take advantage of your passion. Not everybody can make it to the national team, but if you're a footballer, you can play soccer on the internet, on YouTube, on TikTok, and make more money than even somebody who will make it to the national team. So I want to encourage you guys, and I hope this video does encourage you. I'm going to put the link in the description. Click on it and go and watch it if you haven't watched it. She streamed it live. I'm watching it about 5 hours late, but it really touched me. But it also went straight to the point that I was making last week about how we need to stay focused, about how the playing field is leveled. Because I was listening to her and I was like, yes, this is the beauty of our generation. So why sit there and complain? I think the word to the wise is enough. So take the decision yourself and start doing something now. Anywhere that you are, there is no limit, there is no excuse for you. Thank you guys so much, and I hope that I'll be able to get in touch with her and really talk to her about her resilient consistency, discipline that she's taken to get to where she is. And my sister, congratulations to you. I don't know you, you don't know me, but I'm so pleased for your achievement. Take care guys, and I will see you again in another video.